Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be drawing a scene of friends seeing stars. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use a 4 or 3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, which was India's first lunar probe, launched by ISRO on October 22, 2008. It successfully mapped the moon's surface and discovered water molecules, making a significant contribution to lunar science. The mission demonstrated ISRO's growing capabilities in space exploration and marked a major milestone for India's space program. Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Our first character is bent and looking through the telescope, and his arms are on his legs. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangles and the limbs using cylinders. Our second and third character are standing next to our first character. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. Now there's a small crowd behind our main character's one. One man is pointing at the sky while the other two characters are listening to him. And there is women standing behind them, overlooking them. Draw in the background a camp where our character will be staying. Now after being done, the basic sketch start with the details. This basic outlines gives us a blueprint to add details. Now details also depend on the situation and the place our character is in. Draw the expression accordingly as well. Now after being done with the details of the man, start with the details of the women next to him. This time we have a little more characters than usual, so be careful and draw each character step by step. Now let's add detail to the last character who are looking up at the sky. Now finalize the details of the background carefully. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match a sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a peaceful scene of friends stargazing. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Chandrayaan-1 was India's first lunar probe, launched by ISRO on October 22, 2008. It successfully mapped the moon's surface and discovered water molecules, making a significant contribution to lunar science. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.